Are you experiencing issues with emojis on your Windows 10 system? It seems like they have decided to take a little break. Let's troubleshoot and get them back in action. So the step number 1, keyboard magic. First up, let's try a simple keyboard trick. Press and hold the Windows key, then press either the period or semicolon key to pop up your emoji keyboard. This often does the trick and brings up the emoji panel. If it's not appearing, let's move on to step number 2, language check. Check your language settings, head to settings, then time and languages. Ensure your languages is set to a suggested one. Emojis love to communicate in the right languages. So what we are gonna do here, click on this clock, right click, adjust date and time. Once you are here, you need to see on the left side languages. Now make sure select here the English United States or United Kingdom. If you have only one here, like in my case I have only United Kingdom, and if you want to change it, just click here on the add language and then you can search here for any language that you want to add. But mostly the emojis work with United Kingdom or United States. So in my case I have already installed here the United States package. Make sure download it and then restart your PC. This will often solve your problem. If still you are facing, then let's head over to the step number 3, stay updated. Keep your system updated. Go to the settings, just click on the Windows icon and then settings, update and security, and click on Windows update. Check for updates. Make sure your Windows 10 is running the latest update. They might include fixes for emoji released issue. If still you are facing, let's move on to step number 4, Explorer restart. If you are up for it, try restarting Explorer. Just right click on your taskbar and then open the task manager. Once you open the task manager, find here the Windows Explorer. Just select any service and press W until you will get here the Windows Explorer. Just right click on it and click on restart. After doing this will solve your problem. And the last thing, you can also do this, go into the settings once again, and this time you need to go here into the device system, and on the left side you will see a lot of options. Simply you need to find here the clipboard. Make sure enable it. The last thing you can do here, I have already uploaded a video on how to install the new emoji or replace the new emoji with older one, so you can also apply that method. Link is mentioned in the description, so that will solve your problem. And there you have it. Follow these steps and your Windows 10 emoji should be back, ready to add a splash of fun to your messages. Happy emojis!